I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But
good morning. I wanted to show a nicer view and start this video on a brighter note, but in between hurrying out and not hurrying out. Okay, so let's start this video, guys. We're going to be looking at a lot of nice places in Seoul today. We're going to check out Hangang River and some places like that, but hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoy visiting these places. Kacha! Kacha!
all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still no.
Hi guys. Right now we are at Namsan Tower. Namsan Tower is over here. Yogi 그거 Namsan Tower. And here we are looking down on Seoul. 여러분, 이거 다 서울이에요.
Wow.
네. We'll also be seeing other places today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. 가자!
Yay!
He knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Guys, so these are the locks. We can already start seeing them from the entrance. Here are the rules concerning the lock, the care instruction. The locks, you do not throw the keys and damage nature. It's written in Korean and English, so they provided this container to drop the key. So after you put like your loft padlock, you just drop the key inside here. 여기. Inside there, and there you've protected your love for an everlasting 그리고 you can also 이거, let me see how it looks. And there was nothing to see, so let's move on. Seoul Namsan Tower is a touristy spot, so a lot of foreigners like to visit here. As you saw in the earlier clips, there are a lot of the love chamulse. Chamulse is padlock. So next we went into a tourist shop. Here in the tourist shop, you would see like a lot of items that you could, it's called a gift shop, but lots of items here you could buy and take home with you, things related to Korea, things that are popular about Korea. So they have stuff that's related to BTS, to Squid Game, and so many stuffs you could just take back to people as kind of like a souvenir from your trip to Seoul if you do visit this place. This is playing BTS's song.
와 카오이도 파네?
아, 거위는 비싸. 거위는 한 1인당 5만 원 이상.
진짜? 아니 그 정도는 아니야.
그거 아니라고?
아 몰라 한국에서 안 먹어봐서 모르겠다. 명동 돈가스? 여기가. 아니면 이것도 있다. 꽁시 면관. 매운 짜장면, 마라탕.
저 짜장면 좋아요. 좋아해요.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in.
So we went with the jjajangmyeon option. I really couldn't take a picture because there were a lot of people waiting in front of the restaurant just to tell you how good this restaurant was. Of course, I had jjajangmyeon, as you can see, and it was so delicious. Like my bowl is proof for you to see. It's definitely a good restaurant.
엑셀 한국말에서 이 식당이 맛있으면 하는 말이 이 집 잘하네.
아, 이 집 잘하네.
이 집 잘하네.
이 집 잘하네. 박석진 배우 거기 왔어요. Next, we went to Cheonggyecheon Stream. This is another very nice place you should check out in Seoul.
거긴 좀 더 뒤에. 안 나쁜다 그네. 오케이.
내려요?
네, 우리 내리고 있어요.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit.
We're going to Gyeongbukdong, but it looks like today is their off day, so it's not open. Likely, as you can see. 아이고.
I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that
After leaving the palace, we went to Daechon Hanok Village. Here in the Hanok Village, there are lots of houses that are kind of like Hanok style, so that's why it's called Hanok Village. We just walked around a bit and then we kind of took a break in between.
We found the cute perfume store, but they said no videos allowed, so we'll just stop here at the entrance. Then next we went to Samcheong Bingsu Cafe. Really nice place. We were like the first people in here, but then soon after we were here for like 10-15 minutes. People still pouring in. And we have come to the end of this second vlog in Seoul. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.